Yeah, name's Sam McCloskey, and I studied the Occupational Health and Safety Diploma. It was hard, difficult, very, very informative. A lot of information to take in, but the way it was delivered made it a lot easier for us to digest and take it away and revise a little bit more. How to approach sort of the whole world of health and safety, especially after COVID as well, because that changed the life of study. So approaching it from an open book, but also where to find the information as paid dues already from that point forward, going forward as well. So I've always been in logistics, transport, management sort of elements, whereby I've moved into the world of health and safety, which is comfortable, and it's getting that information from a compact point of view, rather than having to deal with it all over just experience, which is fantastic, but getting all the documentation, knowing where to find the information, and then being able to apply that into the workplace. I'd say as long as you've got that support structure around you, lucky enough I had my wife who was able to help out. Don't take it for granted, study, get down to the library. It's very compact, but well worth it in the end. Great. It was a pleasant surprise. Obviously, first off, passing it was fantastic. A massive bonus, which is obviously what you're doing it, and then the extra email to say that I've won an award is fantastic to hear, and yeah, without obviously warrants the hard work that's been put in. Don't give up. Use as much information from all sources. Don't take it for granted, and apply yourself, because without that, it's a lot of work. But don't be too hard on yourself, because it's a lot of information to take on in a short period of time. Yeah, so it's at the moment I'm not in terms of management, so that'll be my next stage. I've done it previously, but that's sort of the next progression. And having this under my belt along with the award, you know, it is a good little tick to those looking for new employees. I liked it when I did my general certificate. A lot of support, very simple, methodical way of working, and it obviously it worked out for my general certificate. And I thought, you know, why change something that's not broken, and carry on with Astutis and follow through.